Chris Voss's Never Split. The difference is a masterclass in negotiation, built upon his experience as the FBI's lead hostage negotiator. Voss teaches that effective negotiation isn't about compromise, but about creating a sense of empathy and fairness while achieving your goals. This approach, called tactical empathy, is the cornerstone of his methodology. Core insights from the book. Years ago, Voss demonstrated his negotiation skills at a Harvard class. In 2 mock negotiations, he consistently persuaded his counterparts, students trained in advanced techniques, to part with their entire budgets. His success stemmed from making his counterparts feel heard and understood, a concept at the heart of tactical empathy. This involves genuinely empathizing with the other person's situation, summarizing their concerns, and fostering mutual understanding. One effective phrase to achieve this connection is, "That's right." Voss explains that a negotiation truly begins when your counterpart utters these words, signaling they feel validated. For instance, a pharmaceutical saleswoman won over a skeptical doctor by recognizing his deep care for his patients. Her acknowledgement shifted his perspective, leading to an order. Voss advises using statements such as, "It seems like," or "It sounds like," to reflect the emotions or concerns of your counterpart. This technique lowers defenses and fosters collaboration, even if the initial assumptions are incorrect. Leveraging calibrated questions. Another powerful tool in Voss's negotiation arsenal is calibrated questions, which are open-ended and begin with how or what. These questions redirect focus from confrontation to problem solving. A quintessential example is, "How am I supposed to do that?" delivered with sincerity. This question subtly requests assistance while conveying limitations, prompting the other party to think creatively or adjust their position. For instance, if a landlord raises rent beyond affordability, you might say, "It seems like you believe this apartment is undervalued and you're seeking a fair market price. But how am I supposed to pay $1,500 when I can only afford $1,200? This encourages a collaborative solution rather than a standoff. Key takeaways for negotiation mastery: empathize. First, demonstrate understanding of the other person's concerns to build rapport. Seek a "that's right" moment. Strive to make your counterpart feel validated and heard. Use calibrated questions. Redirect the conversation toward problem solving by asking thoughtful, open-ended questions. By blending tactical empathy with strategic questioning, Voss teaches how to achieve win-win outcomes that leave both parties satisfied, even when no compromises are made. My name is Hoan. I am extremely enthusiastic about technology and business management. I run my own business, providing outsourcing services to our clients in fintech, e-commerce, and AI. I highly recommend this book. If you'd like a 1-page PDF summary of the insights I gathered, just click the link below and I'll email it to you. If you're already subscribed to the free Wisey Book Summary email newsletter, this PDF is waiting in your inbox. If you enjoyed this video, please share it. As always, thanks for watching and have a productive week.